Okay, so hi, how are you? So in today's video, I'm gonna do my makeup, and while I do my makeup, I'm gonna be talking about all the products that I've used throughout the year, last year, and I saved everything up in this box. Everything's in here. But first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use some of the products that I received in my mystery box from Lunar Beauty, and I'm gonna use the sponge because I'm dying to try the sponge. It's so cute. But first, I'm gonna prime the e.l.f. Putty Primer. So the first product I want to talk about is this foundation by L'Oreal, the infallible one. This has been my holy grail for like, I don't know how many years. I think since it came out, really. I love the coverage. It's so lightweight. Feels like your regular skin. It's very breathable. It covers everything perfectly, but without looking cakey or anything like that. I love this one a lot. And this is actually my third purchase. This one's empty. But I have a new one over here. It's really good, and once the other one, the new one, finishes, I'm gonna repurchase it again because I love it. I really do love it a lot. But now I'm gonna use my new favorite foundation, which I don't know where I put it. Oh, here it is. By Kai Para Mi. They sell this at Walmart. That's where I found it, and I've been loving this one a lot. As you can see, if you've seen my previous videos, you will know that I've been using this basically always. It's very similar to that one. I can actually really compare it to that. I think that's why I like it so much, because it does remind me of the infallible one, but this was way cheaper. I would say this would be a great dupe for that one, actually. I really think it is. Sponge, very good and bouncy. It's on the firm side, but it's still good. The next product I've used up, you probably know, if you know which concealers I love, it's the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. As you can see, I scraped everything. There's nothing left. Super fucking good. I love this concealer a lot, which I bought a new one I'm gonna use now. This is the new one. That one over there lasted a very long time because I only used very little of this. That's literally what I put on. That's enough. I think a lot of people would agree with me that they love that one as much as I do. I'm going to spray with my Milani setting spray. So the next product I'm going to talk about, I'm sad because I finished it now, is the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. I love this powder so much, especially for under the eyes. It's amazing. It's very fine. It smooths everything perfectly. I just love it, and it's gone. There's nothing comes out anymore. So I'm gonna use a substitute that I haven't used in a while. I'm gonna use this one from Ciate. It's in shade Translucent, and I'm just gonna use that one for underneath my eyes. And for the rest of the face, I'm gonna use this one, which this is gonna be the next one. I'm really close to just finishing it off. And I'm gonna use Lunar Beauty's brush that I got. Where did I put them? Oh, here they go. I'm gonna use this one, the double-sided one. I'll use the bigger side to set my face. These are so soft. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera, and I'll be right back. I forgot to talk about primer that I've used up that I love. I mean, really love, and I can't find anymore. It's the Hard Candy Hydrating Primer. Oh, this was my absolute favorite, even more than e.l.f. Putty Primer, because it's very gripping. They only sell Hard Candy at Walmart here in Puerto Rico, and my local, none of the Walmarts that I've gone to recently, none of them have this anymore. And I'm like, I don't know, I guess they're not gonna bring it anymore, or I don't think this was discontinued, but I'm gonna have to check on their website and see if I find it, because I can't find it anywhere. It's a shame. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the eyeshadow palette that I got in the mystery box, the Venus mystery box from Lunar Beauty, and it's this palette, Eternal Eclipse. I want to keep the eyes simple today. I think I'm gonna go in first with, let's try this one. And I'm gonna try his brushes. I'm gonna start with this one. This is the LBE 2. It's a nice neutral shade. I love colors like that for like everyday makeup. I don't want nothing crazy today. I want to keep it simple. And this brush is really good. I like it. Isn't it satisfying when you use up all your products? I find it very satisfying because it's like you really like it. You got your money's worth because you used it all up. It's a shame when you buy something and you don't really like it and then it's just sitting there collecting dust. I'm gonna clean that brush and I'm gonna go in with the lightest shade over here just to blend that shade out over here. This one's more lighter and warmer. It's called Dusk. I'm switching to the LBE3. It's slightly smaller. I'm gonna use this shade right here to deepen the outer corner. These are blending so good. I did an unboxing when I got the mystery box. I'll link it at the end of the video and in the description box in case you're interested in watching it. Going back with the first brush to blend that out. I'm gonna add that color right in here too, just in the outer corner. Now I'm gonna take that pale gold because I want something soft today, and I'm using the LBE4, which is the flat brush. I'm gonna spray my brush. It's very subtle. Let me see with my finger. That shade is very, very, very subtle. But for the look that I'm going for today, it's fine. I'm going to take the detail brush, which is called the LBE6. And I'm going to try that nice gray. It's called Smoke. Oh, it's darker than I thought it was going to be. I'm going to take the black in the palette and put that right here like a eyeliner type of thing, but just in the outer corner. For eyeliner, I'm going to use the Bettina shade black, which is my favorite. Okay, so for mascara, I actually have two mascaras that I want to talk about that I love from the drugstore. First one is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. This is really good and very affordable. I love this one a lot. If I can't find this one, that is my other favorite from the drugstore, which is the Maybelline Sky High, which I think is a little bit better than this one. They're both good, but if I have to choose, I would choose this one more. And they're both finished. They're gone. But there's another one that I like a lot from the drugstore, and it's the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which I bought this recently because this is another one that I've repurchased because I really like this one a lot too. Those are my three go-to mascaras from the drugstore that I love. It's my lash curler. Lately my lashes have been so down. I don't know why. They used to be perky and up, and now they're just, gravity has taken a hold of them. That's one coat. I barely have any lashes, so you could hardly see them. I'm not gonna put falsies on today. I just want to keep it natural. That's two coats. I'm gonna contour quickly with the NYX palette. And for blush, I'm going to use the one that came in the mystery box, which is the Moon Prism Blush Palette. And I'm going to use this shade. That one's called Stargaze. It's like a pinky peach. For highlight, I'm going to be using this one from Wet n Wild, shade Precious Petals. For lips, I gotta talk about this one because if you've seen my videos, you know that I use this one a lot because I love that nude shade. It's like my perfect nude shade. And it's by CoverGirl, the Outlast Ultimate Matte in shade Prosecco Pop. This is my absolute favorite. I love this one. I've purchased this one, third time that I purchased this one, I think, because I love it so much. I really do. It's a really good nude shade. It's not too warm and it's not too cool. Love it. And I'm gonna use this one. I think this is a new shade for him, Mystery, and it's the gold one. Let's see, it's the first time using it. Oh wow, it's like a rose gold. Oh my lord, it's iridescent. It's like a rose gold. It's so pretty. I thought it was just gonna be gold, like gold. It's not. It's like a rose gold. It's so gorgeous. You can see the pink and the gold. Oh, this is my new favorite. This is awesome. I love this shade. Super gorgeous. And the smell is phenomenal. So before I go, I want to talk to you about some other products that I love, that I've used stuff because I love it so much. Is the makeup remover. I use this one a lot, from Garnier, and it even gets out waterproof very easily. I love this one a lot. I always buy this at Walmart, and I think this is my 4th bottle that I've purchased, because, and I'm running low already, as you can see. It is gentle on your skin, but it removes everything. It's perfect for removing harsh makeup and like black shades like that super easily. I love this one a lot. For moisturizer that I use every single day, I've used this one from Olay. I tried this one for the first time and I really liked it. It's the Tone Perfecting Cream Moisturizer, and I use this every morning and it's completely gone. It is empty. It doesn't leave your face feeling greasy or anything like that. I hate those that feel greasy and oily on your skin. This one doesn't do that. That's why I love this one so much. It's quite pricey. I can only find this at Walgreens, but it's really good though. I like it. Then from my BoxyCharm, I got this one. It's from Able Skincare London, Hyaluronic Acid Age Recovering Night Cream. I use this all up. It's empty. There's nothing left. I really like this one a lot for nighttime. It was super good. So then I have this one. I used it all up. It's an eye cream. I don't know how I feel about this. I didn't really notice a difference from my other eye creams. I think they all work the same in my opinion. So I was like, well, I used it all up, but I don't know how I feel about it. I feel the same way about the rest of them. So, and those are all my used products. I love them all. Please let me know in the comments down below if you like any of these. Have you tried them? And do you like them? If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys. If I can get this out of here. Moisturizer. And I use this every morning and it's completely gone. And while I do my makeup, I'm gonna be using. So the first product I want to talk this has been my holy grail for it's in shade translucent. It's in shade translucent. I'm gonna use this one from Ciate. It's the Hard Candy Hydrating Camo. I'm gonna take the black in the shade. Trying to be quick because I have to work and I don't want to be late. I've repurchased these two multiple times. I don't know like how many times. Please let me know in the comments down below.